Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were doing the revision work, okay? And in today's session again, I'm going to start with the one more topic from your term 2 syllabus, that is art gallery. Okay, so this is the next topic that we are going to discuss in the today's session. Okay, so this topic is given at page number 76, that is art gallery. So I'm just writing the topic on the board and all of you open your books at page number 76, that is art gallery. And as you know, now we are doing the revision part. Okay, so this is the revision. The topic is art gallery, given at page number 76. That is page number 76, art gallery. Clear? Now, first of all, that what is the meaning of this heading art gallery? So that means in this topic we are going to discuss about the various artworks that are being done by the various painters all around the world. So as you know, there are various famous personalities, there are various famous painters, okay, those who have done the marvelous and breathtaking paintings who had made. So यहाँ पे हम अलग अलग जो पेंटर्स हैं हमारे उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जिन्होंने के इंडिया में बहुत ही नेम एंड फेम है जो कमाया है, नॉट इन द इंडिया, ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. ओके, सो इन दिस टॉपिक we are going to talk about the painters as well as their paintings. Starting with the first one, that is the first painter that we are going to discuss about is Vincent van Gogh. So the first painter is Vincent van Gogh. That is Vincent, V-I-N-C-E-N-T, Vincent van Gogh, G-O-G. So who was Vincent van Gogh? Vincent van Gogh कौन थे? So the Vincent van Gogh is one of the famous painter he's a famous Dutch painter. So he belongs to the Dutch country. So that's why he is known as a famous Dutch painter. Okay, so first of all, let's read about him. This self-portrait was painted by the famous Dutch painter Vincent van Gogh. Okay, so the painting shows the great artist with a bandage on his ear. Van Gogh's painting became popular only after his death. Okay, so Vincent van Gogh, he was a painter from the Dutch. Okay, and he has made a painting. He has painted a painting. Okay, that is showing his famous artwork. That in this painting he has made the painting. He has made a self-portrait. So what is the meaning of portrait then self-portrait? Portrait means कोई इंसान सामने बैठा है, उसको देख के यू हैव टू मेक द स्केच ऑफ दैट पर्सन और द पेंटिंग ऑफ दैट पर्सन. तो कोई पर्सन आपके बिल्कुल सामने बैठा है, उसके सामने बैठ उसका पोर्ट्रेट बनाना. ओके, सो विंसेंट वैन गॉग ने अपना खुद का सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट नहीं, अपना खुद का. सो विंसेंट वैन गॉग ने अपना खुद का एक पोर्ट्रेट बनाया था. Okay, that was he who provided him with the name and fame all around the world. So in this portrait, in this self-portrait, he was wearing, it is being shown that he is having the bandage from his ear that is covering some part of his cheeks as well. तो कान से उनके ईयर से लेके उनकी चीक से कुछ पार्ट को कवर करते हुए, that is with a bandage. Okay, so this was the portrait that was painted by the Vincent van Gogh. But this painting of Vincent van Gogh has become popular only after his death. उनकी death के बाद उनकी जो painting है that is being popular, that became popular ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड। तो दुनिया में उसको कब फेमस है? उनकी डेथ के बाद। सो दिस इज द सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट बाय विंसेंट वैन गॉग। सो ही इज फ्रॉम डच, सो दैट्स व्हाई ही इज नोन एज द डच पेंटर। ओके, एंड ही हैज पेंटेड सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट, ओके, सो इन विच he is wearing a bandage that starts from his ear and covering some parts of his cheeks as well. Okay, and this painting of Vincent van Gogh, or this self-portrait of Vincent van Gogh, became popular only after his death. Okay, so the first painter is Vincent van Gogh, and he is a Dutch painter. He is a Dutch painter. Okay, moving next to the second one. So the second painter that we are going to talk about is the Leonardo da Vinci. So he is also one of the very popular painter. His name is Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci. So who is Leonardo da Vinci? So there are two famous paintings of Leonardo da Vinci. The first one is The Last Supper. So this is the painting. This is one of the famous painting of Leonardo da Vinci, and the name of the painting is The Last Supper. The Last Supper is a painting by Leonardo da Vinci. The painting shows a scene from the Last Supper Jesus Christ had with his disciples. So now we are talking about the one of the famous painter, that is Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, so there are two paintings of Leonardo da Vinci, those who have brought name and fame to him. The first one is the Last Supper. So the Last Supper is the name of the painting. जो उनकी पेंटिंग है पहली जिसकी हम बात करें, उसका नाम है द लास्ट सपर। तो उस पेंटिंग में क्या है? ओके, सो दैट पेंटिंग इज शोइंग अ सीन। उसमें एक सीन शो कर रहे हैं, हैज़ बीन पेंटेड, जिसमें कि जो जीसस क्राइस्ट हैं, सो द जीसस क्राइस्ट, द गॉड ऑफ द क्रिश्चियंस जिसको माना जाता है, सो जो जीसस क्राइस्ट है, ही इज़ हैविंग द लास्ट सपर विद हिज डिसिपल्स, जो उनके फॉलोअर्स हैं उनके साथ ही इज इन अ सेशन। ओके, सो द नेम ऑफ द पेंटिंग शो सीन फ्रॉम द लास्ट सपर जीसस क्राइस्ट हैड विद हिज डिसिपल्स। तो उनका जो जीसस क्राइस्ट का उनके जो डिसिपल्स के साथ, उनके जो फॉलोअर्स हैं उनके साथ जो लास्ट एक सपर का सीन है, दैट इज बीइंग शोन। ओके, दैट्स व्हाई दिस, ओके, जिसमें कि वो अपने जो फॉलोअर्स हैं उनके साथ बैठे हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज बीइंग शोन बाय द पेंटिंग। यू कैन सी द पिक्चर हियर. This is the painting that is being shown in your book as well. So the name of the painting is The Last Supper, and the painter who painted this beautiful painting is Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, so the name of the painting is The Last Supper. The Last Supper, SUPPER. And in spite of writing such page, you can write the name of this is a self-portrait. This is the self-portrait. Painting painted by the Vincent van Gogh was a self-portrait, and the painting painted by the Leonardo da Vinci is the name of the painting is The Last Supper, in which the Jesus Christ is spending sitting with his followers in a supper, and that was the last supper. उनका और आखिरी सपर था अपने followers के साथ. Clear? Moving next to the third one. The ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in the Vatican City has beautiful frescoes painted by the famous Italian painter and the sculptor, that is Michelangelo. He had to lie on his back to paint the ceiling of the chapel. So now we are talking about the third painter. He is also one of the famous one, that is Michelangelo. Michelangelo, who is Michelangelo? So he was a famous painter from Italy. So he is a famous Italian painter. Okay, so this Michelangelo, he has painted the सीलिंग्स ऑफ द सीलिंग्स ऑफ अ चैपल. तो उन्होंने एक चैपल की जो सीलिंग्स हैं, सो सीलिंग इज वेयर वी हैंग द फैन, सीलिंग फैन जहाँ, दैट इज द सीलिंग. ओके, सो ही हैज the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in the Vatican City. So Vatican City is the smallest, is termed as the smallest nation, smallest independent nation. Though it is a part of Rome, but it is termed as the smallest nation because in this city the Catholic guru, जिसको हम कैथलिक गुरु होते हैं, जो उनके सबसे बड़े जो गुरु, जिसको हम बोलेंगे गुरु, जो कैथलिक्स होते हैं उनके सबसे बड़े, जिनको पोप बोला जाता है. ओके, वो देर ही रिजाइड्स देयर. ओके, तो वहाँ पे उनका जो घर है दैट इज इन द वेटिकन सिटी, एंड दैट्स वाई दैट वेटिकन सिटी हैज ऑल द फैसिलिटीज, इंडिपेंडेंट फैसिलिटीज, लाइक दे हैव देयर ओन टेलीफोनिक सिस्टम, पोस्ट ऑफिसेस, गार्ड्स, okay, water lines, pipelines and all the things. So most of everything is available independently to that Vatican City. So that's why this Vatican City, though it is a part of Rome, but it is known as the smallest nation in the world. सबसे छोटा nation in the world, that is Vatican City. And okay, and in this Vatican City, the Catholic guru, the Pope resides there. Okay, so the Vatican City में एक beautiful church है. The name of that, sorry, एक chapel है. The name of that chapel is the Sistine Chapel. So this is the name of the chapel that is in the Vatican City, the Sistine Chapel. Okay, and the ceilings of that chapel is painted very beautifully by the Michelangelo. For painting that ceiling of that Sistine Chapel, he has to lie on his back. Okay, so he has to lie on his back, okay, for painting the ceiling of that chapel. So Sistine Chapel is a chapel in Vatican City. तो Vatican City में एक chapel है जिसका नाम है Sistine Chapel. Okay, जिसकी जो ceiling है, you can see the ceiling. Okay, तो देखिए, you can draw easily on the walls, but for painting on a ceiling you have to lie. Okay, not on the ground, but you have to lie somewhere close to the ceiling. आपको लेट को पेंटिंग करनी पड़ेगी. Okay, so Michelangelo जो एक इटालियन पेंटर है, so he belong to the Italy. Okay, so he is one of the famous painter of Italy. So उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने जो सिस्टीन चैपल है वेटिकन सिटी में, उसकी जो सीलिंग्स हैं उसको बहुत ही सुंदर पेंट किया है. एंड उन सीलिंग को पेंट करने के लिए, तो फॉर पेंटिंग द चैपल ऑफ दैट, सॉरी, सीलिंग ऑफ दैट चैपल, उनको अपनी बैक पे लेटना पड़ा, बिकॉज फॉर पेंटिंग ऑन द समथिंग दैट इज लेवल लाइक दिस. ओके, सो यू हैव टू लाई ऑन योर बैक, बट समवन क्लोज टू, मतलब समवेयर क्लोज टू इट, तो उसको किसी चीज़ के ऊपर लेट कर उन्होंने उस चीज़ जो पूरी जो सीलिंग्स है उस चैपल की, उसको पेंट किया था. ओके, सो द नेम ऑफ द पेंटर इज Michelangelo. Okay, and he has painted the ceilings of Sistine Chapel that is in Vatican City. So the third famous painter of the Italy is, that is Michelangelo. Michelangelo, Michelangelo. Okay, and the famous, he has painted the ceiling, of Sistine Chapel, Sistine Chapel, CAHPEL, Sistine Chapel. He has, so Michelangelo was a Italian painter and sculptor who has painted the ceilings of the Sistine Chapel that is in Vatican City. Okay, so his name is Michelangelo. He was an Italian painter and he has painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. Okay, moving next to the fourth one. Okay, that is, again we are going to talk about, that is Leonardo da Vinci. I have already told you the second point about the Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, so this is the second painting of Leonardo da Vinci that we are going to talk about. Okay, so what is written here? Let's read it fast. One of the most well-known paintings of the world is the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. It shows a woman with a mysterious expression and smile. This painting won the artist's great fame. Okay, so now we are talking about one of the painting of Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, that is another painting of Leonardo da Vinci. The name of the painting is Mona Lisa. Okay, so before that we have talked about one more painting, that was the Last Supper. So now we are talking about the another painting of Leonardo da Vinci. That is the name of the painter. That is Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, so the next painting that brought him some fame around the world, that is the Mona Lisa. The name of the painting is Mona Lisa. Okay, so this is the name of the painting, that is Mona Lisa. So what is given in this painting, so what is being drawn in this painting, that is in this painting the Leonardo da Vinci has painted a painting of a woman who is showing some kind of mysterious expression, जो एक अलग सा ही expression show कर रही है. Okay, so this is the one of the painting by the Mona Lisa. Okay, and neither she is looking like that, neither she is smiling, neither she is in the anger. मतलब उसमें उसके expression, you can't see the expression of Mona Lisa in that painting. You can't understand the expression. So in that painting she is showing some kind of weird expression, but somebody told me, I have read somewhere some days before that some kind of writing you can see in the eyes. तो उन्होंने उनकी आँखों में कुछ लिखा है. That was told by some. I have just read it somewhere some days before. So this painting of Leonardo da Vinci, the name of the painting is the Mona Lisa. Okay, and this is the well-known painting because this painting is a painting of a woman who is showing some kind of weird expressions. Okay, so not weird, you will say some mysterious expressions. Okay, the expression of the Mona Lisa, the woman that is being painted is just showing some kind of कुछ अलग से expression है कि ना वो लगता है कि ना वो हंस रही हैं, ना वो रो रही हैं, ना वो गुस्से में है, ना वो, the expressions is very mysterious, and the smile she is wearing, sometimes she looks like that she is smiling, but sometimes that she is not. So that painting is some kind of mystery, it's just of a mystery in itself. Okay, and this painting has brought so much fame to the Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, this is Mona Lisa is the second most famous painting of Leonardo da Vinci. The first one was the Last Supper, okay, in which Jesus Christ was sitting with all the disciples, okay, while attending the Last Supper, and that was his Last Supper. Okay, and that scene is being shown in that painting, that Last Supper, and that the second famous painting of Leonardo da Vinci is the Mona Lisa. चलिए, moving to the next painter, that is Pablo Picasso. Okay, so Pablo Picasso, I hope that you must have heard about him. Okay, Pablo Picasso. So he is one of the famous painter of the world. Okay, that is Picasso. Picasso आपने सुना होगा बेटा, he is a very well-known artist. Okay, and the name of the painter is Pablo Picasso. P-I-C-A-S-S-O. Pablo Picasso. So who is Pablo Picasso? Let's read about him. So Guernica is a painting by Pablo Picasso, a well-known artist of the 20th century. The painting shows the sufferings caused by the war when a town called Guernica in Spain was bombed. Okay, so this painting of Pablo Picasso, okay, we commonly call him the Picasso only. Commonly उनको Picasso ही बोला जाता है, but his full name is his complete name is Pablo Picasso. So he has painted a painting that is the name of the painting is Guernica. That is Guernica. Guernica. Guernica is one of the famous painting. Okay, he has made lots of painting, but this Guernica is one of the famous painting of Picasso. So what is being shown in this painting? इस painting में क्या दिख रहा है? So in this painting, it is being shown that a city, okay, जिसका नाम है Guernica. This is the name of the city जिसके नाम पे painting का नाम रखा गया है. That is Guernica. Okay, so in this he has shown the picture of a city after the what was the condition of that Guernica city when it a bomb blast, the people they have suffered a bomb blast there. Okay, जब वो city में bomb blast हुआ, so after that what was the condition of the people, what are the sufferings of the people, those who were residing there. So what kind of painful, that painting is showing some kind of a painful scenery of a city that whose name is Guernica after it was bombed. तो जब उसमें बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हुआ तो वहाँ की जो सीन है कि that people were suffering a lot. Okay, someone has lost their houses, कुछ लोग अपने घर खो दिए, some had lost their loved ones. Okay, some had lost their some body parts, so they have faced so much damage in their body. So बहुत सारी अलग अलग तरह की damages जो हैं, physical damage, mental damage, okay, that are being faced by the people, okay, of Guernica when the city was bombed. Okay, so this is a painting of that 20th century. So this is the one of the famous painting of the 20th century. Okay, and this painting is showing the sufferings of the town that is Guernica, that is in Spain. The name of the country where the Guernica city is located, that is Spain. So Spain में एक city है, that is Guernica. So where that city was bombed, and that painting of Pablo Picasso is showing the picture of that city. Okay, so the name of the painting is Guernica, and the name of the painter is the Pablo Picasso, which is commonly known as Picasso. Okay, now the moving next is M.F. Hussain. So he is one of the famous painter from our own country, India, and his name is M.F. Hussain. Okay, if we pronounce his full name, that is Maqbool Fida Hussain. Okay, and his name is M.F. Hussain. The sixth one is M.F. Hussain, or you can call him as Maqbool Fida Hussain. M-A-Q-B-O-O-L. Maqbool Fida Hussain. H-U-S-S-A-I-N. So who was he? He is a famous painter of India. Maqbool Fida Hussain was one of the most famous Indian artists of the 20th century. He was also known as the Picasso of India. Okay, the paintings of M.K. Gandhi and the Mother Teresa are some of his famous works. Okay, so Maqbool Fida Hussain, he is one of the famous painter of the 20th century of our own country, India, and he is also known as the Picasso of India, because the Picasso is a legendary painter that is well known in the world. So he is also one of the greatest painter. तो ये जो मकबूल फिदा हुसैन है, ये is also a great painter of India, इसलिए इनको इंडिया का पिकासो बोला जाता है. Okay, so he has made the paintings of the various great personalities of India. Okay, so he has made the paintings of Mahatma Gandhi and the Mother Teresa, which has brought him so much name and fame all around the world as well as in our country. Okay, so one of the famous painter of India is Maqbool Fida Hussain. And the famous paintings of M.F. Hussain is of M.K. Gandhi and Mother Teresa. That is, these are the name of the two paintings, famous paintings of M.F. Hussain. That is M.K. Gandhi and Mother Teresa. T-E-R-E-S-S-A. Mother Teresa. So these are the name of the two famous paintings. T-E-R-E-S-A, not double S. S-A. Mother Teresa. Okay. Now moving to the last one, that is the seventh one. So now we are going to talk about another painter, that is Rembrandt. Okay, Rembrandt is the one, another famous painter. Okay, the Night Watch. So the Night Watch is a painting by Rembrandt, a Dutch painter. It shows a group of soldiers led by a captain and his lieutenant. So the next painter is the Night Watch. Okay, so this is the painting that was painted by one of the famous Dutch painter whose name is Rembrandt. Okay, so this is the name of the painter Rembrandt, and the painting that is being painted by the Rembrandt is the Night Watch. So the name is Rembrandt, R-E-M-B-R-A-N-D, Rembrandt, and the famous painting of the Rembrandt is the Night Watch. The Night Watch. This is the famous painting of Rembrandt, and he is also a Dutch painter. Okay, so it shows this painting is showing the scene of a group of soldiers led by the captain and his lieutenant. So as you can see in your book as well. So this is the painting. Okay, so this painting is showing that a group of soldiers that are being led by the captain and their lieutenant. So the captain of the ship and the lieutenant, okay, they are just leading a group of soldiers. So whether they are just going for a war or somewhere. Okay, so the name of the painting is the Night Watch. So the main thing that you have to remember, that the name of the paintings of those famous painters. So आपको जो famous painters and their famous paintings, you have to learn the name of those painters as well as the name of their paintings. Okay. Next, now the quick quiz is given in your book. So I'm going to start with the quick quiz that is given at the same page number. Okay, quick quiz. Okay, so there are several questions that are being asked. So choose the right answer. So the questions are given in the MCQ form, and you have to choose the correct answer. Starting with the first one. A drawing scribbled or scratched on a wall is called. Okay, so this is a kind of drawing, okay, which is scribbled and scratched. So scratching and scribbling. Okay, जिसको क्रोध के हम बोलते हैं, and scratching, so that you do with the pencils especially. So the drawing scribbled and scratched on the wall is called graffiti. So graffiti is the name of the painting that is being drawn or with the help of scribbling or scratching. So graffiti is the name of the painting. So the answer of the first one is graffiti. That is option number B in your book. Graffiti. Graffiti is the name of the painting that is being drawn with the help of scribbling and scratching on the wall. Okay, and this painting is done on the wall only. Clear? Moving to the second one. Which of these artists is not a painter? So here the name of the great personalities are given, and you have to choose that which one is not the painter here. Amrita Shergill, Satish Gujral, or Uday Shankar. So these are the names of the three persons here, that is Amrita Shergill, Satish Gujral, and Uday Shankar. So now you have to find out that which of these are not the painters. That is Uday Shankar. Amrita Shergill, she is also a great painter. Next is Satish Gujral, she is also a painter. He is also a painter. Next is Uday Shankar, he is not a painter. So the answer of the second question is, that is option number C, that is Uday Shankar. Uday Shankar. So Uday Shankar is not the painter. Uday Shankar. Moving to the third one, that is, where are cave paintings found in India? So you must have heard about the caves painting in India. So now the question is, where are the cave paintings found in India? Ajanta, Khajuraho, or Kanyakumari? So the cave paintings in India are found in Ajanta. So you must have heard about the Ajanta caves. Okay, so you can find, if you ever went there, you will find the paintings that are being painted on the walls in the on top of that cave. Okay, the cave, उस गुफा में paintings हैं. Okay, painting की हुई है Ajanta caves. And that caves are known as the Ajanta cave. That are very popular caves in India. So where are the cave paintings found in India? That is Ajanta. Option number A, that is Ajanta. Okay, moving to the last one. The mural is a form of a painting. It is a painting either on wall, painting on paper, or painting on cloth. So mural is the name of a painting that is done on wall. So mural is the name of a painting that is a wall painting. A mural is a wall painting. That is option number A. Okay, so a mural is a wall painting. A mural is a wall painting. Okay, so these are the answers from the quiz from your book. Okay, so this was our today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.